The Crisis in Zimbabwe Coalition, or CIZC, has issued a stern ultimatum. Zimbabwe National Army Commander Lieutenant General Anselm Sanyatwe has just 10 days to retract his controversial statements about enforcing command voting to keep the ruling ZANU-PF in power. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS. CIZC argues that Sanyatwe's remarks aren't just undemocratic, they're unconstitutional, violating Zimbabwe's own legal standards and human rights. The coalition is not backing down, threatening legal action if the commander fails to comply. In a country already grappling with political instability, this ultimatum adds fuel to the fire. Will Sanyatwe bow to the pressure, or will Zimbabwe face another constitutional crisis? Stay tuned as we uncover the unfolding drama and the fight for democracy in Zimbabwe. Because when power is unchecked, it's the people who pay the price.